Welcome! In this video I'm going to show you how to set up multiple device groups in EZ360. So what are device groups? Device groups are a set of VR headsets that use the same EZ360 pairing code. And by creating a new device group, you actually create a new pairing code. So let me show you how to create an extra device group. In the dashboard, go to the Devices tab right here. As you can see, this is the default device group, which has two headsets connected, and this is the pairing code. Now, if we want a new device group, go to the bottom and click Create Device Group. Now, let's name this device group Client Number 2. And the playlist that's assigned to this device group, well, he only gets to see his own playlist, so Client Number 2, and hit Save. Now, let's rename the default device group Client Number 1 here, and also assign only the Client Number 1 playlist, so hit Save. And now we have two device groups, each with their own pairing code, and they only get to access their own playlist. Create your EZ360 account today. We have different plans, including a free plan, and if you have custom needs, please reach out to us. Thank you for watching.